Life's such a beautiful thing, don't you think? Woke up craving this Taiwanese beef noodle soup. Let me show you how easy it is to make. First, start off with some water. We got some beef bones here. All I'm gonna do right now is clean off this bone, or clean the bone. The reason why we want to clean off the bone is because we don't want any impurities in this broth here. So we're just gonna boil this for 20 minutes. As we wait for that to clean off, we're gonna char up 1 onion, 1 ginger. Once I got this nice and char, I'm just gonna pull it off and throw it to the side. 20 minutes up, I'm just gonna clean off my bones. All it is wash away the impurities this bone has released. In the end, guys, we want a clear, nice broth. 7 quarts of water here, and we're gonna dump in our clean bones. Pop in our aromatics, onion, ginger, 1 stick of cinnamon, 8 star anise, 1 clump of rock sugar. I also got here 1 piece of beef shank in the pool, 2 sprigs of green onion. Last but not least, 1 cup of Chinese cooking wine. Am I worried about this overflowing? Nah. Goof, forgot about this. 3 tablespoons of tomato paste in. Now we let this sit for 4 to 5 hours on a medium-high heat. As that cooked down, let's make our wheat noodles. So I got 3 cups of white flour, salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Throw your water in slowly. So I'm probably gonna do close to 2 cups of water. All we're looking for, guys, is a nice hard dough. Always look for a hard dough. Here it is again, guys. If this table breaks while I'm rolling out or kneading out our noodles here, it will go down in history that I made the best noodles I can possibly make. Once you got it nice and smooth like this, time to let it rest. All right, time to roll this out, guys. So I have this sitting in the fridge for about 1 hour. I'm just gonna roll this out a bit. Karate chop this. Once you got that karate chop, guys, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take one, roll it out. Time to feed it through our pasta maker. So there is 7 dials, and I'm gonna go down to the 2nd dial. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. We're gonna dust it with some flour into the spaghetti cutter. There it is, guys. I'm gonna take this, dust it up with a little more flour. Take our tray. There it is. We got this brat here. What are you doing? Are you trying to pick up some scraps, kitty? Huh? Hey, no, don't eat that. Don't eat that, kitty. You hungry? Look, kitty, you have some food already. Hey, hey, kitty. Hey. All right, noodles complete. 4.5 hours in, guys. Time to strain this broth. So I'm gonna pull out the meat first. Beautiful. Next, we're gonna filter out this broth. Take that filtered beef broth, pour it back in. To this beautiful beef broth, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of salt. And you know how we ended off with fish sauce for pho? We're gonna do soy sauce for this one. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon at a time. So this is light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon at a time. So I'm gonna go with 3 tablespoons first, taste it. Then we continue adding for our own liking, guys. 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna taste. Just perfect, guys. Wow. Take my beef bone, throw it back in the pool, guys. I don't care if you can swim, just get it. I'm gonna cut up my flank, nice size pieces. Oh, did I say flank? I mean shank. Don't goof there. Time to eat, guys. So I'm gonna do 2 as well. Stick my chopstick in so it doesn't stick. Once cooked, just gotta run this under cold water. Stop the cooking. Time to set this up. So noodles, 2 pieces of beef shank, beef bone, and goes our broth. Lao gama chili oil, green onion. My take on Taiwanese beef noodle soup. Alright, let's stir this up real quick. I don't want my noodles to overcook. Let's get into this. Let's get into this, guys. Take a sip of this, guys. The broth. Quick time. Yes, got it. Nice. Wow. I don't care what you guys say about lagao ma, but that chili oil, guys, so bombs. Wow. The noodles. I feel like these noodles feel a little soft. I think I will upgrade these noodles a little later on, just because I want a more of a chew to it. Take the first bite of this. Yes, got it. Nice. Still a good noodle, but I feel like it's too soft. Wow. I want to make ramen noodles in this. Just because ramen noodles this broth, guys. So bombs. Ramen noodles has more of a chew to it, rather than these, rather than the flour noodles. This broth is killer. The broth was amazing already by itself. Throw in that lagao ma chili oil. It took it to another level. Wow. I want you guys to see this beautiful, rich, beefy, wow, tasty broth right here. Wow. If you guys have never had lagao ma and anything, I highly recommend you guys go out and buy it. Wow. The beef shank, take a bite of that. Yes, got it. Nice. So tender. With anything with chili oil in it, be careful. Be careful when you slurp, because that oil stains. It'd be very hard to get out. I made them too soft. But still all good. Last bit of it here, guys. Take a bite of this beef bone here. Quick time. Just got it. Nice. Mmm. I love using beef stock. Beef bone in my stock. It gives it this nice, rich, depth flavor to it. To the broth. And you can eat it after. I know a lot of you guys want me to drink this whole broth here. Mmm. But that's a lot of sodium. Life's such a beautiful thing, don't you think? Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share this. Peace out.